Right, it's now pretty late, as you can see. There's still loads of crap in here. I've managed to pressure wash the door down, trying to get this out. I've had to dry this manually with cling film, with towel. Blast some of the crap off here. You can see the huge thing that's been leaking for a long time. That ain't just happened now. You know, this is the roof's leaking like a sieve, which has been reported many times. I just don't know what it's done up there. But you can see here I've had to pressure wash all the floor out. You know, this is something that's an ongoing problem which has been known about and reported times. But as you can see, nothing's been done. You know, judging by how bad that is up there, you know, the whole ceiling panels come out. Russ, one of the units, has had the same problem where his beautiful motorhome, well, it was a motorhome, the ceiling landed on that. I managed to damage that as well. But, you know, I've got to admit, this is ridiculous when we're paying rent and maintenance. The maintenance fees, 2,000 to 3,000 a year, I believe it is, if not more. And you can see nothing is done at all. The bike's still got to be pressure washed. I don't know what time it is now, but this is some of this shit. It's managed to all land on a brand new steering rack I was going to fit on one of the cars, and most of it's in this bin here. Managed to chuck most of it in here. But, you know, I'm just so fucking fed up with this, where it's been reported times and just nothing is ever done. You know, landlord's been told over a year, well, 2 years ago about this problem. It's happening on every unit where it's just, they're just knackered. The ceilings are all that fiberboard rubbish from the 70s. And, you know, just crazy. Hopefully we can sort something out. Best bet sell us the unit cheap because they're bloody knackered anyway. And we can do something about it. If we owned them, we would. The biggest problem is if it rains. You know, my toolbox is full of water. This is completely soaked. You can see all the water. It's all gone in the drawers. You know, all the top soaked, and this is like a £2.5 grand toolbox. This ain't some cheap thing. It's a Jesse James Chopper's toolbox. This one here is absolutely drenched. See all the water in there. All the drawers got to be dried out. It's ludicrous in this day and age. I can't believe 2023 we're doing this. The bike's just all been cleaned and polished, ready to get for sale, covered in plaster. Now got it pressure washed at this time of night. This bike here was beautiful. I actually pressure washed this and completely did all the tank, all the headlight, everything, the frame, the mud guards. Now it's covered in shit again. You know, you just, what the hell is going on with this bloke? You know, look at that, disgusting, covered in plaster, absolutely ridiculous. This as well, just completely done all this, had the tank resprayed to get it ready for sale. And look at it, it's like it's been motocrossing. So hopefully something will get done, but I'm not counting my chickens.